Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up? New, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what you would like to see in the next video. And let's get into this video. So today's video is going to be about me starting my lip gloss wholesale journey. I'm very excited, a little nervous to see how this goes, but I'm also excited to see how this goes. So you guys are going to be on the journey with me, and let's see how big this can be. So I'm going to show you guys what I will be offering, and I'm going to discuss some of the prices with you guys as well. So if you're interested in starting your own lip gloss business or starting lip gloss wholesale, just keep watching. Alright, so the first item that I will be offering for lip gloss wholesale is none other than lip gloss squeeze tubes. So I have 10mm squeeze tubes and I have 15mm squeeze tubes. So obviously the prices will vary depending on how many are being purchased. So right now I believe I have 20-piece, 30-piece, 40-piece on my site for both 10mm and 15mm. So yeah, so with these, it would just come with the squeeze tubes, the caps obviously, and the stoppers. So yeah, I'll also leave all the prices down below because honestly I have bad memory, so I'm pretty sure I will mess up like any of the prices that I say in this video. So yeah, just look out for the prices down below. Next, I will be offering, obviously, lip gloss base. So I'll have these in pouches. So I'll have a 6.5 ounce bag, which is this one, and then an 8.5 ounce bag. So this is what it will look like. It will just be plain lip gloss base, no added oils or anything like that. So this is what it looks like. I'll probably change the sticker because I'm like, do I really want my face on every single bag of lip gloss? But who knows? So that's that. Next, we have pre-made lip gloss base. So as of right now, I only have 3 colors. So the first color is my Golden Goddess gloss base. This is one of my best sellers, so I had to put this in one of my pre-made gloss bases. So this is what it looks like. Open up the jar. Looks like that, like melted gold. My gloss base jars will come in 2 ounces, which is our simple sample size, 4 ounces, 6 ounces, and 8 ounces. So this is the 6-ounce jar. So this is what it looks like for Golden Goddess. This is melted chocolate. This is what it will look like. Trying not to spill it, which I'm probably about to. I caught it. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Oh, this is chocolate scented, obviously. And then this is one of my new glosses. It's called Fly Gloss. It's pink with iridescent butterflies in it, and it's watermelon scented. So this is what it looks like that. And yeah, like I said, prices will be in the description box below. So this is what they look like. Pretty. All right, next, let me try to get this out of here without breaking anything. All right, so next we have starter kits. So each starter kit, I have 2 different starter kits, excuse me. So one will come with a 6.5 ounce gloss bag or pouch, and then the other will come with an 8.5 ounce pouch. So with the 8.5 ounce pouch, it will come with 30 10mm squeeze tubes. So there's 10 in each organza bag. And then in the 6.5 will be 20 squeeze tubes. So this is what they look like. All right. It will come with 2 60-milliliter syringes and 6 pipettes, all in an organza bag. That's what it looks like. It will come with the stoppers, obviously. 1 flavoring oil. 2 pigments. Pigments will be random, so there it is. And 1 glitter, so you can jazz up your lip gloss tubes, or even include in maybe a lip gloss base. So this is what it'll look like. Here it is. It's pretty, it's chunky, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the starter kit. I wanted to keep everything pretty much on theme, so turquoise, bluish, white, hollow, and I try to keep everything on it. The box is so cute. Let me close this so I can show. I forgot to say this. So this is a 1 ounce bottle of coconut oil. As you know, coconut oil is essential when making lip gloss. So this will come in the starter kit as well. I don't know how I forgot that. Alright, so let me close the box so you guys can see the color of it. 1 second. So this is what the box looks like. It's blue. It's cute. I'm trying to figure out like different ways to dress it up. Maybe add names onto it, or like, you know, put their names here, or I don't know. But I always come up with something cute. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys make a purchase. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.